Hello, I'm Bruce Sands from Mount Sinai in New York, co-chair of the Crohn's and Colitis Congress, the premier meeting in IBD that is transforming IBD care, taking place January 21st to the 24th, 2021. I want to personally invite you to this year's virtual meeting. While this year's meeting might look a little different in the virtual format, you will receive the same quality programming you have come to expect from the Congress, and you can do it from the comfort and safety of your home or office. We're excited to tell you about this year's program. There's something for everyone: physicians, researchers, nurses, and advanced practice providers. Clinicians will gain meaningful and actionable information you can immediately implement to improve patient care. Attendees will get the latest updates in diet therapy in IBD with the first public presentations of the DINE CD and PRODUCE studies. Learn about the influence of racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic disparities on IBD outcomes, and understand IBD care in the era of COVID-19. The Crohn's and Colitis Congress is the only IBD professional meeting with a dedicated research track. Hear the latest in genetics and microbiome research, and hear microbiome insights from the landmark GEM study. Registered attendees will also have access to content on demand after the meeting, so you won't have to miss a single moment of the meeting. And there will be great networking and entertainment opportunities too. We look forward to connecting with you virtually January 21st to the 24th.